learning, playing,
Welcome
and
to Coco
growing.
Kiddo. Learning, playing, growing. Fun videos every week.
Was a little boy named Tim. Tim loved paper planes. He made paper planes from blue paper, red paper, and old newspapers. Every day, Tim threw his paper planes high into the air. Swoosh! One night, Tim made a special plane out of shiny yellow paper. He put it on the table next to his bed. Then, Tim went to sleep. In the middle of the night, Tim heard a soft sound. Beep, beep, beep. Tim opened his eyes. The yellow paper plane had a tiny driver. The driver had a tiny red hat. "Hello," said the little driver. "Do you want to fly?" "Yes," said Tim. Suddenly, Tim became as tiny as a bug. He hopped onto the paper plane. Whoosh!
It is really glowing. I got you.
The plane flew out the open window. They flew over the tall green trees. They flew over the quiet, sleepy town. Tim smiled and put his arms out like wings. "Look," said the driver, "a lost teddy bear is on top of that roof. Let's save him," said
Look,
Tim.
there he
The
is.
paper plane glided down softly. Tim reached out and grabbed the soft brown bear. "Hang on,
Hooray!
we're coming!" shouted the tiny driver. "You saved the bear." They flew all the way back to Tim's bedroom. Tim placed the teddy bear next to his pillow. He thanked the driver, climbed into his warm bed, and went back to sleep. The next morning, Tim woke up. The yellow paper plane was sitting quietly on his table. And right next to his pillow was the tiny brown teddy bear. Tim smiled. He knew he would have another fun flight very soon.